Good afternoon, and let's do some pari-mutuel betting. Under add-ons, choose pari-mutuel. Under pari-mutuel, you have two options: create a new event or open an existing event. When you create a new event, you'll have to add a name to the event name, set a starting date for the event, and then choose from four different options. The first option is what percentage does the house want to keep, if any. The second option is what type of events or bets are you going to allow? Win, place, or show, win in place, or win only. What will your minimum bet be allowed? If it could be any number, you want to choose $1. Are you going to print tickets after each bet is made? And how many tickets do you want? Do you want to require the bettor's name on each ticket? Yes or no? Do you want to print tickets automatically? Yes or no? The last option is calculate the amount of the winnings to the nearest dollar, dime, or penny. It's important to note when you choose nearest penny and nearest dime, those will be rounded to the nearest cent or dime on the bets. When you use nearest dollar, the extra change or the rounded amount will go back to the house account and be spread out equally at a later time to the winners. You can choose the color you want for each event or each pari-mutuel event that happens. When ready, we can then import the teams and the bettors into the pari-mutuel database. First, let's get teams. We now have successfully imported both teams and bettors. We can now begin to take bets. We have 8 bet windows, and each bet window can be a new event from day 1 to day 2 to overall, or simply if you're doing it a small, not so difficult pari-mutuel, we can open up bet window number 1. When doing that, you choose the team that somebody would like to bet on, the amount they want to bet, if it's win, place, or show, or across the board, and we place the person betting into the system. If Brian Bussey wants to bet on another team, he will remain in the window until we change his name. And this is his team. He feels a whole lot more confident. He's going to bet $10 across the board, and we're going to place a second bet on him. If we like to track the bets as we're doing this, we can go to Bets, Display Bets, and as we do bets, all the tickets will show in this window. The next team comes up, and Chris Cardone is going to bet on his team. And we can choose Chris Cardone and place the bet. You'll now notice that Chris Cardone's placed his bet, and he's on ticket number 26. Our next ticket is number 27, and Chris is going to again bet on another team. He's going to go on team 12, and this time he's only going to do $2 across the board. Chris later comes back and says he made a mistake. He'd like to change his one ticket, ticket number 26. Can we please change that? Once we close the bet window, we can then select the ticket or the area to be changed. Chris would like to put all his money on winning, not placing or showing. By selecting the area, we can actually delete a place bet on place and show, and we now can edit and put all his money into winning only. Once that change has been made, we can now continue to make more bets. But before we leave, you notice there's $41 in the win pool, 17 in the place pool, and 17 in the show pool for a total of $75. I'm going to go ahead and open another pool and show you how to make results since those bets have already been placed into the system. It'll be a better understanding on how you show you how you can get results. Okay, I've opened up an existing event that has a lot more money in it, and you can see in the win pool, the place pool, and the show pool, and the total that there's a lot of betting going on in this particular event. Let's create the results for this event and give out the payouts. Under results, we can open the results window. We can now show the results for the Pari Mutuel. If Team 5 wins, we just left click and select Team 5. We then right click, drag and drop, and move them into position for winning. Team 9 came in second, and Team 12 finished third. The system will tell you how much is in each pool and what the amount of bet on the winner was. When ready, we select winning tickets, and a report will be generated to tell you how much to pay out to each winner. If you notice, there will be a list of winners and what tickets they were done for and what was bet for each team that won and what the return is for each winner. In this case, a simple 20-20-20 bet turned out to be a huge bet because it looks like he didn't have very many people betting on this team, and he made a big amount for each bet. So based on the percentage in Pari Mutuels, they get a percentage of each pool based on that information. The return and the total payout will be displayed on the tickets. You also have the option of creating envelope labels for your payouts, and this will generate a label that can be placed on an envelope and tell you how much to pay out for each person so you can put that money in the envelope. If you need further detail, you can actually do a show pools display, and this will show you how much money was distributed out of each pool in win, place, and show. Hopefully this has been helpful in creating Pari Mutuels. Thank you, and have a great day.